Hi, welcome to this channel. I am Niyati and this is going to be my first ever YouTube video. So I would really like it if you liked and subscribe to this channel. I know I'm asking you to like and subscribe even before making the video, but you know what? Do it please so that I feel motivated for making such videos. So without further rambling, let's move on. Okay, so as you have read by the title of this video, we will be doing a clothing haul in which I'll be including only and only comfortable clothing, because as you all know we are in a lockdown situation and we are not supposed to go out. So I thought, I should buy clothes where I can use to wear outside and inside, and this time I tried for a more comfortable look because you see, I'm not going to go out anyhow because number one, lockdown. Number two, I'm a student and I study 24/7. Not really though, but you get the point. So, this is when I really tried to become a creative person and make my outfits a little bit more better, I guess. I don't know what I'm saying, quite literally. So, without any further ado, let's start.
Hey, editing Niyati here. So I just wanted to hop in and tell you guys that this is not all going to be a try-on haul. I actually wanted it to be a try-on haul, but it is not because I do not technically know how to pose in front of a camera, and it was looking really bad, so I decided to remove it. Simple things. And secondly, my voice sounds a bit weird in this video because I do not have a mic. That's it. You can watch the video.
So first of all, I would like to show you guys this t-shirt. It's a boxy fit t-shirt and it's black. Yeah, most of my clothes consist of black, blue and grey. Not a surprise at all. But you know what? It is written we can change this world, which is true and not true at the same time. But you know what? We are positive over here, so we are going to say like, yeah, we can change this world. This world can be a better place. Hoping for the good. Okay, let me stop rambling and talk about the quality. So this shirt is from Myntra and it's actually a very reasonable price. I got it for somewhere around 394 something. I don't know. I will leave the prices and all in the description or I'll put it on the screen. I really don't know what I'll do. But yeah, this shirt is really comfortable actually. It's made up of cotton and I actually went a size up because my mom told that it will shrink, but it did not shrink actually. So if you really want an oversized look, go a size up. If you want a regular boxy fit look or what you're going for, whatever, go with your natural size or original size. I don't know what I'm saying at all because I had to film this video as soon as possible because it's going to rain. Next is another shirt which is of the same company and it's also from Myntra, just is a different color. It is this white shirt which I bought in the same size, and fortunately my mom let me buy a white shirt because I've never bought a white shirt in like forever because my mom thinks that I'm still a 7-year-old child who will spill something or the other thing on top of my shirt, which is not false, actually it's true. But you know what, a white shirt, yeah, it's also comfortable, nice and soft. I like to hug it. It's so nice. It's nice. It's a nice shirt, guys. It's a wonderful shirt, and it's the same price. I got it on sale. Yeah, that's it. Let's talk about this shirt. It has a lot of wrinkles on it, but you know what? This had my name written all over it. Yeah, this is from Amazon, and it is, I think it's a collaboration with Van Heusen and Marvel. And we all know that when it's Marvel, it's mine. It's mine. It is literally mine. It screams Niyati on it. Okay. So this is a crop top, a boxy fit shirt, whatever. I don't know. So I usually don't buy green clothes because I think they look funny on me. You can say hideous, but we're not using such a strong word here. But my mom said that you should buy a green shirt. I was like, yeah, I should because I don't have any other color except for black, grey, and blue. You know that. Okay, so I'm actually not disappointed, but this collar is kind of sketchy, but you know what, I don't really mind. So yeah, green shirt. And you know what, I can make really cool green screen filters or something. I don't know, I got this idea from YouTube itself, but you know what, it'll be useful someday. An oversized t-shirt, yeah, I never actually bought oversized t-shirts in my life because Number one, my mom buys them for me, and she thinks that oversized t-shirts are actually really hideous. But you know what? I convinced her this time, like, Amma, you know what? I am 16 years old and I can buy the clothes which I like. And my mom gave me that death stare, and then she was like, okay, fine. And then later she bought me this anyways because it looked good and it was comfortable. That's it. And then I bought another shirt in the exact same color. I bought another oversized t-shirt, but this time it's a little maroon brownish color. My mom actually chose this one because she loves this color. She likes any shade of brown. You can't go wrong with a shade of brown, she says. But I was actually really skeptical before buying this because I thought that it will look very funny on my skin tone, because it literally matches my skin tone. Not that much, but you know what? You get it, okay? But it actually doesn't look that bad. I don't know. For me, it didn't look that bad. Anyways, I'm not going to go out anyhow because COVID. We all know that. Yeah, the pants. I bought pants too. I'm not going. Okay, fine. I should not make that joke actually. Okay, so pants. So almost all my pants are from Amazon, but some of them are from Myntra. I bought only 3 pants actually, so that doesn't make any sense. I will just tell from where I bought them. Okay, so these pants are, how am I going to explain this? I have actually bought pants from this brand earlier, and not gonna lie, chef's kiss. Amazing quality. See, these pants I think are for 500 or something. I'll leave the prices down below. But actually, love these pants. I seriously can't get over the material. They're so soft and stretchable. I can do split jumps in this, and I can't do split jumps, okay? But what, you get the point. They're really flexible, a really flexible material. Cotton. I don't have anything else to say. It's so amazing. They're really, really good quality for the price, okay? I would rather buy this instead of buying a high quality Puma pants. That is how good this is. Understand it, buy it. Maniac brand. This is from Maniac, by the way, the brand. Okay, please sponsor me. I will not let you down for sure. I know this is my first video, but you know what? I love these pants. Yeah, that's it. That's all I have to say. And obviously, I had to buy one more of the same brand. Why? Because I love the material. So these pants, amazing quality. I don't know how in the world I'm supposed to say this, but I love these pants are mind-blowing. I never had pants like this in my entire life. Moving on, these pants are from Myntra. Yes, these have a very weird pattern. These look like someone shot my legs when I wear them. You know what, actually they really are showing how I actually feel in life. I should stop making stupid jokes. Anyways, these pants, I never bought printed pants in my entire life. As you can see, I really like wearing very muted color pants because they go with everything. But I thought, I should wear colorful stuff. This is not exactly colorful, but you get it. It's a nice start. We have to start somewhere, right? So these are the pants. Those were the pants. So that's all for this video, and I will really try uploading every week. I don't know, I may upload from like 5 times a week or to 1 time a month. I don't know. My schedule is completely all over the place. So if you like this video, please do leave a like and subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification beside it. Also comment down below telling me if you like the video or not, any video suggestions. Anyways, thank you for watching.